Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was just thinking about the power of language in life and in everyday thinking. And one of the things that struck me, there are so many words we use on a daily basis that can be construed as positive in the one sense and negative in the next. Here's an example. The word should. You say the word should to yourself, and it could be construed as almost positive because you are telling yourself you should do something. You're attempting to be determined, maybe resilient, maybe more focused, maybe you want to take action, and you're dealing with it on a personal and private space. Again, this context is entirely subjective. Equally, you could use the same word about another person, maybe someone you employ, someone you are close to, a friend, a spouse, and say, they should. And immediately you're probably like me going, no, I shouldn't set that level of expectation for the other person, because if I haven't actually told them, they're only going to disappoint me, and they didn't even know in the first place. You see, that's the same word being used in a negative sense, in this case, most likely unintentionally and accidentally. If you broaden this out, there's lots of words like this. Another one is the word just. Could you imagine if you put just should together in a negative context? Suddenly, you've got an explosive issue with words, creating a negative feeling, a negative response, and a negative pattern. Equally, if you want to conclude something, be concise, get to the point, just can be a powerful enabler. Anyway, the thought is this. How many words are you using every day that are sometimes mostly in the negative when you don't even mean it? And how much brighter could your day be if you stopped using words that had negative implications to your mental state and mood and were more focused on the enabling language that's available to us every single day to just change our words and change your daily experience?
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.